Hello darlings, I hope you've been having a great week so far. There's been a lot of holiday madness happening with like the shopping and the sales. Sidestepping from holiday shopping into holiday looks. Today I'm sharing with you this look, featuring my wet hair care routine, how I style it. Honestly, just holding up this vlog camera is hurting my arm. So holding up a round brush and a blow dryer to give my hair fullness and volume and some shine and less frizz, and to straighten it and give it va-va-voom is exhausting. So bringing in this baby, look how pretty this is. This is the Revlon Pro Collection One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. That's what I use to get this look. I love that it's quick and easy. Saves me arm power because I'm not holding up two tools, just the one. And it adds shine and less frizz. I mean, I play with my hair all day long. I'm constantly doing this. But when I'm done with the original look, as you'll see in this video, it's very sleek looking. I hope you guys liked that video. I will link you to my blog that has all the details step by step. And up next will be our Christmas vlog. But first, the Thanksgiving vlog. I should probably put that in order.